Samsung has just revealed one of the most futuristic smartphones ever created, the Galaxy Z TriFold, a device that folds not once but twice, transforming from a regular phone into a massive 10-inch tablet. Today, we're taking a full look at the design, specs, features, and price of this next-generation foldable. What is the TriFold? The Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold starts as a compact 6.5-inch phone, and with two smooth hinges, it unfolds into a wide, tablet-like screen. Samsung calls it their biggest step forward in foldable technology, and after seeing it in action, it's easy to understand why. When fully opened, the TriFold reveals a stunning 10-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with rich colors, deep blacks, and a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The outer display is a bright 6.5-inch AMOLED, also running at 120 Hz, making it perfect for quick tasks when the phone is folded. Inside, the TriFold is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, paired with 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, editing video, or running desktop-level apps, this phone handles everything with ease. Samsung equips the TriFold with a flagship-level camera setup, a 200-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto with optical zoom. You also get dual front cameras for selfies, one on the cover screen and one on the inside. Thanks to One UI and Samsung's foldable optimized software, you can run multiple apps at once, drag and drop between windows, and even use Samsung DeX to turn the TriFold into a desktop-style workstation. There's also a second screen mode that lets you use the TriFold as a wireless display for your PC or laptop. With its 5,600 mAh battery, the TriFold is built to last through heavy use, even with the massive display opened up. And with fast charging, you can top up quickly when needed. The Galaxy Z TriFold launched first in South Korea and sold out within minutes. A global release including the US is expected soon, with prices ranging between $2,500 and $3,000. Depending on storage. The Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold is not just another phone, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. If you want a device that's powerful, unique, and built for productivity, the TriFold might be the most exciting foldable of the year. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and future foldable updates.